Let us see how to create a tapered spring in SolidWorks. Select the top view, sketch, create a circle. So let the diameter be 50. Okay, now go to the features, curves, and that helix. So here I have given the taper angle of 30 degree uh, and revolutions 10, pitch is 10 mm, and then give OK. Now select a plane, select the point and curve, and then give OK. Now create a cross section on this plane, sketch, circle of diameter 15, but is still 10. This is 0, this is 0. OK, then exit. Now go to sweep option, select the cross section and guide curve. So this is the tapered spring. Hide the plane. So this is the tapered spring made in SolidWorks. So you can apply the color here. Please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.